Today, let me tell you how to get this, make this. So, first, get any blocks you want. First, copy it. Make sure you're gonna put this one so it won't so it won't so it's gonna stick out. Gonna do it from here. Make the head first. Get this rope. Make sure go with this one, not this one. It's gonna be break. Copy, and this one. If you're gonna do this, I would not do that to my others. Save it. Type any names you want. I'm gonna name him Boxy. Here. Here you go. Wait. I forgot to attach this one. Hope I don't get. I'm really pro. Gonna name it Boxy again. And here you go. Bye guys.